In this lesson, we will go over the content properties and project properties. So let's go ahead and open a project in Composer and double click into a project. Now, content properties refer to specific properties of an individual page or overlay region. So let's click on this page right here, and as you can see, the content properties are down below. The General tab says Map, so this is the name of the page that we clicked on when you first created it. It also has other information regarding the page design when it was created and last changes of it. The next tab is Scheduling. Scheduling is quite powerful and flexible within the Composer application and will have its own dedicated lesson. This particular page shows that the page is currently scheduled for 8 seconds of dwell time, duration on the page, and is always valid to play Sunday through Saturday. So it will always be valid to play within the rotation. The next tab we have is the Display tab. This allows you to set the type of transition that goes into the page. Now remember, you can simply leave these to the default settings if you choose. The next box over is the region overrides. In this project we have 2 top regions, a bottom region, and a logo overlay region. If you put a checkbox in any of these, that means that the specific region will not show when this particular page shows up within the rotation of the project. In some instances, it may be an overlay or crawl region that blocks part of the screen or detracts from the message that you wish to convey. The last tab of the content properties is the Audio tab. This is referred to as an audio ducker, as it allows you to duck audio levels up and down when you have more than one audio source on a page. For example, you might have a music bed, which is background audio playing, and then have a page come up that has video and a window showing. This tab allows you to reduce or mute the line levels of that particular audio so it doesn't interfere with the audio coming from the video. Now, there are 2 external video sources, the music bed source and the internal mixer source. The internal mixer refers to audio associated with a video file that is stored on a player for scheduled playback. So to recap, content properties affect page content as well as overlay region content. So let's get to one of those, and you will see that you have 2 tabs here, the General tab as well as the Schedule tab. And again, we'll be discussing the scheduling in a future lesson. Next we have the project properties, which affect all pages globally when you first create them. So to get there, we're going to go up to the settings button up top right here. Let's click that, and this will bring up the project settings window. From here you could adjust the default duration of each individual page, the default page transition that goes into the page. I believe we have 32 different ones of those, as well as mute or unmute the music bed. Content properties and project properties give the user a wide range of flexibility on a per content basis on what is displayed and when it's displayed.